Hello everyone, welcome back to City Closers, and today we are back with a new video with a new property. This is a semi-furnished villa which is in Hennur location, and this is available for rent. And for more details, over to my colleague.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel City Closers, and I hope everyone is doing good. So today we are in North Bangalore, and we are right now standing in one of the beautiful project, very low density project where we have only 28 villas. So let me tell you, this is not for sale, it is for rent purpose. And usually if you have observed, we don't put any video of rental properties, but this has come to us on a high priority notice. So we just thought to advertise on our channel so that any of our home buyers are looking for the rental also, they can definitely look into this project. The location of the property is Hennur Main Road. If you're coming from the Hennur outer ring road, after crossing this decathlon, you will find this particular project. We will not be mentioning the project name because if in case you are interested, after seeing the video and after knowing all the details, you can definitely capture the number and take the number which is mentioned on the screen and contact us. So I am standing right now in front of the villa. Towards the back side we have the car parking, a huge car parking where you can park some 2 cars, and in the entrance you have a small space for the planting purpose. And here is the main door. So this is the west facing plot and the main door is north facing. A huge main door is being given with the digital lock system by Yale brand, and this is the living area. So we have the TV unit over here. This is the TV unit. This you can see the living area, and here you can place your dining table just beside the kitchen. This would be your dining area. Beside that we have a kitchen. It's an open kitchen. If in case you want a small dining place, you can place it over here also, because this much space will be for your refrigerator, and the kitchen cabinets have been done. So this corner we have the wash basin, okay, and this is the place where you can place your UPVC or something. We have one bedroom over here on the ground floor. This could be a small bedroom for the guest purpose with the wardrobe space, and in the corner we have the restroom. Now let's go on the first floor via steps. So we are standing on the first floor. This space you can see, this can be utilized as your TV room, or you can you can place office place also you can utilize. This side we have one bedroom which comes with the balcony. Quite huge bedroom space, and the walk-in wardrobe space is separate over here. Here is the walk-in closet. Right opposite to that we have the restroom. So this is the one bedroom, and opposite side we have another bedroom, which is also can be utilized as your master bedroom, because this also has the balcony. Again, as same structure, here is the walk-in wardrobe and a dedicated space for the bathroom. Quite spacious 4 BHK villa available for the rent. And the overall square feet of this villa is 2296 square feet, which is quite spacious. And now we will be going to the second floor. So yeah, this is the second floor. This room you can see right now it is locked. This is for the maid's room, and here is the point given for the washing machine. This is the fourth room attached with your balcony. Quite spacious room Light you can see as usual, we have not on any lights right now. And this side we have walk-in wardrobe. Right opposite to that we have the restroom. Here we have open terrace. As usual, as you enjoy your independent house without anybody's permission, you can do the barbecue setup, or you can just enjoy, having some pakoras or something with tea or coffee, and you can just enjoy. Right top we have the terrace, and surrounding you can see all the other villas are there. Opposite villas, these are very small project, hardly 28 villas in the whole project. And yes, so the rental is, the owner is quoting 90,000 plus you have 12,000 of maintenance. We have the amenities over here. If in case you're liking, and if in case you're looking for a spacious villa for the rental purpose, you can definitely call us. And for the site visit also, of course, we have to accompany with you. And yeah, so this is all about. As I said, I will not mention the project name as it is a villa project situated at Hennur location, and you can definitely call us. Or you can know more about this particular villa, you can comment in the comment section, or you can give us a call on the number which is provided on the screen. And yeah, if you have liked the video, if in case any of your friends, relatives, or the office colleagues are looking for the villa for rent, do share this video. It might help for others as well. And if you have not subscribed our channel, kindly do that so that you should be the first to see our videos, right? See you in the next video. Thank you.